So if I go to a composition document, let's say this first one here, and click on the three dots, I have two options for printing. I can create a PDF of the document itself. This is only the composition document. Or I can create a component PDF, which will give me not only this composition document, but all section documents under the parent entity of my test substance. So let's go first of all to create a document PDF. This should be a familiar view for any of you who are using the web interface. These are the typical advanced settings you are presented with when you are wishing to include or exclude certain information from data you're exporting or creating a PDF from. So for instance, you can include annotations or a legal entity. By default, these are not included. You can include or exclude certain fields, for instance, confidential fields. And you can also include or exclude fields which are flagged with certain confidentiality flags or regulatory program flags. And then you can hit create PDF and you'll get the PDF of the document. The second option is when you can create a component PDF. This presents you with the same set of choices, but you can also hit to select documents to be included. And then this will give you the chance to include or exclude certain documents and entities from the component PDF. For instance, on the left-hand side, as we saw with the advanced imports, you have a list of entities. You can choose to include or exclude these as you wish. Note here that, for instance, this particular substance is linked to a category. And as that is part of the component, it's listed here as something to print. So if you do not wish to print the category, I can deselect it there. Now, a category can be using, can have members from across the database from other substances. And so when deselecting this, a number of other substances are automatically grayed out in mixtures too, because these are being used by the category. On the right-hand side, I can, like with the advanced import, include or exclude certain documents.